Hello and welcome to this amazing platform. I am Momita and I'll be your Korean mentor for today. So to start the class, we are going to learn Hangul or the Korean alphabetic system or the Korean writing system. Hangul. So a little backgrounder about Hangul. Hangul was created by King Sejong and his group of scholars in the year 1443. So the question arises, what were they using before 1443 and why was there ever a need to create a whole new writing system? Well, to answer those questions, Korean was an oral language, meaning there was only speaking and listening, no reading and writing. For reading and writing, they were using Chinese characters, which we know is a little hard to learn. And because of this, most of the people were illiterate. Most of the lower class people were illiterate. The nobility, the higher class people who were literate were exploiting them. And therefore, to create literacy, King Sejong made Hangul. Now, why is Hangul easy? Because it has 21 vowels and 19 consonants, which we will be learning today. So this is a statue of King Sejong in the national capital of Korea. So you know he is super important. And this is a specimen of an early text in Hangul. So we'll start learning Hangul now, starting with the single vowels or the simple vowels. My first vowel is A, like the A in father, A, father, A. My next vowel looks kind of similar to the first one, but notice that there are two short lines instead of one. So two short lines always mean that there is a Y sound attached. A, ya, like in yard, ya. Then we move on to O, like in honest, O. Now, two short lines would mean that Y sound is attached. So, yo, like in yawn, yo. Our next vowel is O, like in home, ho. Now, two short lines would mean Y sound, so yo, like in yo. Next vowel is oo, like in soon, oo. Try not to get confused between O and oo. Two short lines to oo would make this you. This vowel is a little tricky because the sound does not exist in the English language. So as we see, it's a horizontal line and that's exactly how we are going to form our mouth. Like the E in taken. Now our last single vowel is E, like in seen, E. We move on to the next part. So vowels can't be used independently by themselves. Yes, they're always accompanied by a consonant. So if I want to write A, I just can't write A. It needs a consonant to support it. So the consonant used to support vowel sounds is a circle. Yes, this is how I write A. Similarly for ya, o, yo and e. And for other cases, I'll place the consonant and place my vowel beneath the consonant. O, yo, u, u, yes. Moving on, we go to the basic consonants. My first basic consonant is gh. A G sound like in game, gh. Next consonant is n, like the N in name, n sound, n. Then we have dh, The, a lot like the HE sound. The. Now this R and L. RL. So according to where this consonant is being placed, the sound is sometimes closer to R, the sound can be sometimes closer to L. So the R in ribbon, L in veil, R and L. Next we have the M sound, M in male, M. Now we have the B sound, B, and add a little H sound after it, B. Then we have S, like in seesaw, S. We just learnt this consonant, a simple circle. So we know that it is not making a sound when it is preceding a vowel. But what if it's placed somewhere else? Well, then it will make an NG sound, like in ping pong, Now we go to J plus a small H sound, J. From here on, we will be learning aspirated sounds. When I say aspirated, I mean that air is also escaping when I am producing these sounds. Let's see. So this is ch, C-H-H, ch sound, ch. Again an aspirated sound, I have K-H, K sound. Then we have th, like in thank you, th. Notice all of these have aspirated sounds, right? So air is also leaving. Then we have P-H sound, P. Finally, we come to H, like in hamburger, H sound, H. We move on to compound vowels, which are an amalgamation of two vowels. Our first one being A, like in pen, A. Then we have A, like in hat. So these sounds used to differ more, but in the past half a century or so, the differentiation has become a lot less. Most people don't even differentiate. They are very similar. A. The same for the next ones. Ye, like in yell, like in yam. This part gets a little tricky again because all of these three combinations will give me a where sound. Yes. So where is the differentiation? The differentiation is in the spellings. Yes. Our first combination is oo, a. Oo, a is making a where sound. Yes. Then o, a is also making a where sound. OE is also giving me a where sound. Now we come to the next combination, O, A, wa sound. Then we have oo plus o, which is a wa sound, wa. Oo plus e, we sound, we. Lastly, we have U plus E. So, to pronounce this, we'll just pronounce the two of the sounds together very quickly. U, E, U, E, U, E, U, E, U, E, U, E. So, moving on to double consonants. These seem familiar again, yes, because these are just the double of the basic consonants we learned. But the sounds differ. First is K. K, like the K in sky. K, K. These are short and tense sounds. K, K. Then we move on to T, T. TT sound, T, T. Now we go to P, P, like the P in spy, short and tense. P, P. Next we have S, S, S. We have the S, the basic consonant, then S, S, SC sound, S. Our last double consonant is Ch, 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 Ch. And that's it for consonants and vowels and Hangul. I'll see you in the next class.